The ladybug.
You know he's tired. He doesn't feel like doing things, and you hound him to do stuff all the time. The only thing I want him to do is take pictures because he's the one that sits all day long on the computer.
Get away from the cat. Whatever you're doing was wrong. Get away from it.
I don't know what I did.
Wow, that's exactly right. You know what you did. So get away.
Hey, stop.
Oh.
Stop.
Oh.
Stop. Trisha. Try and get it on your arm.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a ladybug.
Here, try and get it on your arm. Pick it up with your fingers.
Oh, here, I'll
It feels really good. It
make it a video of
tickles.
Where's my basket? Oh,
You should post these videos on Facebook.
it. Okay.
Oh, look! Trisha, look, it's flying! Look, it's right there. Come on, let's come chase it.
I see more eggs. I want to let Patches have them.